Hey, it's Darren. You're here to check out your possibilities on the new digital home equity line of credit. I just wanted to show you what to expect as you walk through the loan application process. It's almost like we're chatting on the phone and I can give you some direction. But anyway, I hope I answer some questions for you and show you what it looks like so you're comfortable with the process and you know what you're getting into. So you're pretty familiar with this page because you've already been here. So when you click on the see what I qualify for, like you already have, I've tried to put some information here so you know what's going to happen in the application. Now, when you click on continue to my application, it's going to take you to a new secure portal, okay? It might take a second or two to load up that portal, but here is the abbreviated application. It's very short, especially compared to a normal mortgage application. It will ask for your social security number for sure. It's in a secure portal. But why it does that is for the initial offer, it's going to take a peek at your credit without pulling the credit report. Okay, so this application portion will take you about 3 minutes. Again, it's much different than the regular full-blown mortgage application. After you've got that filled out, in about 60 seconds, the AI underwriter, it's pretty crazy how cool it is, will actually go through your entire file and it will come back with an offer. And what that offer looks like is, let me pull that up. What that offer looks like is something like this. This is a demo. It'll show you how much cash it feels like you can, I say feels like it's got feelings. Anyway, it'll show you how much or what size of loan amount, what the terms are. You can play with it, select some terms, select what your cost versus rate options can be, like you can see right here. And you can add a few different pieces in there. And then once you've got that set how you like, then you click that button, send offer, and then off you go. So now you can still make changes all the way up to when you're ready to close, but this process goes super, super quick. And what I mean is I've had some of these be ready or cleared to close within under an hour. That's insane. And that's one of the biggest differences is the amount of time it takes is so small compared to a regular HELOC. You go down and it takes 30 to 60 days. So here's the thing, you get that offer, you get it in, you upload it, AI underwrites it and everything. And you can, as soon as you close, your funds can be available in as little as 3 days after closing. It's going to preserve your first rate mortgage. I get that question a lot. It doesn't touch your first rate mortgage. In fact, this is how you preserve that first low rate mortgage that you probably have. And it is a second mortgage, and they will also give you a Visa credit card with some perks with that will go with the line of credit. And it's pretty competitive on the rate. That's the one thing that I've really liked about this is sometimes second mortgages are not very competitive on the rate, but these have been highly competitive. And your rate is going to be determined by how much you borrow versus how much the home is worth, the value of the home, your credit score, and a couple of other factors. It will factor in the risk and then give you that as part of your offer. Okay? So here's a cool thing. You can fill out the application. It'll take that 3 minutes or so and get your offer. And if you've got questions about it or you want to know some more information, then reach out to me for sure and we'll go through it. I've got a portal on the back end that I can help upload documents. I've also got some support help that we can get you if you need support help on that. But we can make it a really seamless process for you. Let's see, anything else on this? Oh, they will. So whatever amount you get, you can get it in the form of a line of credit, meaning that you don't have to use it all. So say you only need $20,000, but they offer you $100,000. You can take that $100,000, and as long as your balance is at $20,000, you're only going to pay interest on that $20,000, right? Your payment will be based on that lower amount. But they will fund all of it up front. That's something to be aware of. And I know why they do this, actually, because they know when they put money in people's pockets, it's hard for people to pay it back. So anyway, that's totally up to you. But if you borrow $100,000, you only need 20, they're going to fund $100,000 up front initially, but then you can simply pay it back immediately to keep the balances at where you want. And then if you do end up needing money down the road, you can draw from that for up to 5 years. It's a 5-year draw period. So anyway, take a look at it. And I hope that helps. Give me a call if you have any questions or shoot me a text. You can even send me an email. Just let me know how this helps you. Or if you're looking for other mortgage options too, that if this doesn't fit for you, then we might have some other mortgage options for you as well. All right. Hope that helps.